Snoopy Sees Sunrise on Earth from 1970 is one of Alma Thomas's greatest paintings. Thomas's instantly recognizable brushwork and kaleidoscopic color palette shows an abstracted view of a sunrise on Earth as seen from outer space. Like millions of Americans, she was in awe of images like Earthrise from the Apollo 8 mission in 1968, which showed, for the very first time, a view of Earth rising above the moon. My first impression standing in front of this painting is really the sense of joy and brilliance that radiates from the surface of the canvas. At 50 inches tall, the scale is all-encompassing. It really draws the viewer in. In Snoopy Sees Sunrise on Earth, Thomas portrays our planet abstracted and saturated with refracted sunlight. The round form of the central composition is reminiscent of the spherical shape of Earth, but it also makes us as viewers feel as though we are looking out onto the scene from a window on a spaceship. In fact, Snoopy refers to the nickname of a lunar module on NASA's 1969 Apollo 10 mission. This painting, like so many from this period, illuminates her career-long experimentation with motion, light, color, and atmospheric effects. Snoopy Sees Sunrise on Earth is from a very small body of work called the Space Paintings. For so many Americans, the space race projected a sense of unlimited hope, freedom, and progress on a global stage. In 1965, the first American spacewalk was performed, a massive triumph for NASA's space program. And yet that same summer, the Watts riot took place in Los Angeles. So these events were happening simultaneously, and many people struggled to reconcile the nation's extraordinary scientific achievements with this deep-rooted racial inequality and unrest at home. So the tension and contradiction of this moment profoundly impacted Thomas's practice, and the space paintings represent her response to what was happening in the world at this very decisive time in history. In 1972, Alma Thomas, at the age of 80 years old, became the first Black woman to have a solo exhibition at the Whitney Museum of American Art, which took place at the Breuer Building, where Snoopy Sees Sunrise on Earth hangs today. It has remained in the same private collection since 1978, and this is the first time in 48 years that this work will be seen by the public. In positing space as a place of escape within this concise body of work, Alma Thomas pursued beauty and the awe-inspiring power of Earth, nature, and the cosmos. Her paintings offer an opportunity to look closely and celebrate the extraordinary possibilities around us.